just got this refrigerator for my truck, and we're gonna open it and see how it looks and how it works. Great. This is pretty cool. It works. It's already really cold. So I will suggest that if you have kids, you must get one of these. If you're going to soccer, if you're going to sports, it'll keep your water cool, your drinks, your snacks, everything. It's pretty cool. If you have it in your car plugged in, you can keep stuff cool and nice. And then you also have the option to either keep charging it in your car or plug it into your RV. Our RV works with solar panels, so I can't plug it in right now, but it's pretty amazing because you can plug it in and then it'll keep your stuff cool. And then if you go to the beach or you go outside or you go outdoors, you can put this outside and then it'll keep your stuff cool. So it's pretty nice. It's pretty flexible because you can take it out with you for camping and stuff. And I highly recommend. It has a lot of space on the inside. You can put a lot of stuff, and I think that's pretty cool. So this is the cooler plugged in. It's working. Here you can change the settings, take it down, and up, down and up. And then we're going to add some drinks. It has a little light, which is pretty cool. And then we're gonna add some drinks into it. And then we're gonna let it cool, and then it's gonna be ready to take to the beach.